friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Rumi, Christmas edition, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with her left eye. So we're going to leave a gap from the center. We're going to come over on the left and we're going to curve this all the way around. We're going to loop this back through, connecting that in on the top. We're going to leave a gap coming over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and then we're just going to replicate that. Now let's draw in our highlight. So right on the top here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's flip across on the right hand side and just replicating that. Let's move across on a diagonal now on both sides, and we're going to draw in our second highlight, just making this one smaller. And then now from here, let's color in the pupils black. Let's draw in the eyelashes now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a small triangle. And then we're going to move down, replicating that, just making that one slightly smaller. And then like we did for the pupil, we're just going to color those in black. Now let's step into the middle. For the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line right in the center. And then for the mouth, stepping underneath, we're going to replicate that in the opposite direction. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. Coming over in the corner, we're going to curve this line down, around, and then connecting that back in the corner. And then we're going to step across on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that shape. Let's move up now in the middle for the top of the hat. We're going to start right in the center here. And we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. We're going to start back on this line, replicating that as you bring this over and across on the right. Let's move underneath, framing the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down beside the eye. And then stepping over on the right-hand side, let's replicate that again. Now on the left-hand side, closing off the chin, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in towards the middle, flattening that out. And then we'll step over on the right-hand side, finishing that off. Now let's draw on the ears. We're going to draw in a half circle on both sides. Let's add in the small detail on the ear now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in a half circle. Let's close off the hair on both sides. Stepping in from this line slightly, we're going to curve this down towards our ear. Now let's close off the top of the hat. So on the left-hand side, stepping up, we're going to curve this line all the way around and we're going to bring this through towards the center. We're going to step over on the right-hand side, replicating that, and we're just going to join that together right in the middle. Let's step over on the side to complete the Santa hat. On the top, we're going to curve this line up. Let's come over on the left-hand side now. We're going to arch this line around and through towards the right. And then starting back on this line again, we're going to continue to curve this around and then down towards the middle. Let's close off the pom-pom on the end. So we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line right on the bottom. Let's move down now for the rest of the body. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side and we're going to draw in 2 curved diagonal lines coming in towards the center. From the middle, we're going to curve this line up and out on both sides for the collar of the jacket. Let's do the same. So from that point, curving this out and then back up. And then again, one more time. Let's come down, closing off the jacket. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. Let's do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now for the arms, stepping up from the bottom, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards our collar. Let's step up on both sides, curving this line across again. In the middle, let's draw in the belt buckle. So we're going to draw in a small square right in the center. And then moving in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that right in the center. Let's draw on the belt now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then we're going to move down on the bottom again, replicating that. In the center now, let's draw in 2 straight lines. So we're going to do one on the left and one on the right, leaving a gap in the middle. And then let's move underneath. We're just going to continue those lines through to the bottom. We're going to draw in some buttons here. So we're going to, right in the middle, just draw in a circle. And then we're going to move down towards the bottom and replicate that, drawing in our second circle. Let's draw on the bottom of the jacket now. Stepping over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. On the right-hand side, starting on that line, we're going to arch this around and then in towards the side. We're going to flip across on the left-hand side and replicating that. Let's draw on our hands. So for the thumb, let's curve this line up towards the top. And then closing off the rest of the hand, we're just going to arch this around and through towards the top. Now let's draw on the leg. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to bring this line down on the left and right hand side, and we're going to curve this out slightly. Now from here for the bottom of the foot, just bringing this line around, in, and then back up towards the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoe now. So we're just going to curve this line around and then back in on the inside. On the top here, we're going to curve this line over. And then moving up, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines. And we'll line those up at the same height on both sides. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in Rumi's braid. So we're going to draw it hanging down on the left-hand side. So we're going to curve this out and in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back up towards the top. On the left-hand side again, we're going to curve this out, back in, and then again, curving this up towards the top. Let's move underneath here, curving this out, back in, and then again from that point, curving this around and in on the side. And then for the bottom of the braid here, we're just going to curve this around and through on the side. And now underneath, we're just going to close off the hair tie here. So we're going to curve this around, back in. For the bottom of the hair here, we're going to curve this down, out, and over. And then from that point, curving this back in. And then again, we're going to curve this back out. And then one more time, just arching this all the way around and in towards the hair tie. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi Christmas edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.